wanted to do a video on black diamond abrasive. It's charcoal, actually it's like coal slag. You can get it at Tractor Supply. I got this for about $9. Ended up having to adopt this Goldfish from my mother-in-law because she had it in a tank that was way too small, so I'm still setting it up, but so far this tank's only costed me about $50 because he's the black diamond abrasive, and it's one of these cheap whisper filters, which always work really well for me. So then I have this light from my old fish tank, this Aqua Neat, which it looks good, but I would not recommend it for growing anything because all it does is grow algae. But just wanted to do a review on this black diamond abrasive. So far it's worked really well. I put it in a bucket and ran a hose through it for about 30 minutes to get all the fogginess out. And then once I got it in this tank, it cleared up really nice. So I'm really happy with the way it looks, and yeah, definitely be using it again, especially for the price.